5 firms control more money than most countries' entire economies. They can crash stocks with a single trade, make CEOs lose sleep, move entire markets. You've never heard of most of them. That's exactly how they like it. Welcome to the secret world of hedge funds, a domain where the real power in global finance lives. Now let's look at their recent triumphs. In 2025, these funds had their best year since 2009. Combined profits, $115.8 billion. Total assets, over $5 trillion. That's bigger than Japan's entire economy. Against this backdrop, here are the 5 most powerful funds by total profits, assets, and market influence. Each dominates a different dimension of finance. Starting at number 5, Elliott Management. Paul Singer started with $1.3 million from his family in 1977. Today, $80 billion and a reputation that makes CEOs panic. Elliott finds badly run companies, buys massive stakes, forces brutal changes. In 2018, they targeted AT&T, demanding that the CEO resign and that 40,000 jobs be cut. AT&T resisted. Elliott waged war, media campaigns, regulatory lobbying, shareholder votes. 6 months later, AT&T's CEO resigned. Elliott made $1.1 billion. When Elliott calls, corporations answer. Next, at number 4, D.E. Shaw. David Shaw was a Columbia professor in 1988. He had a radical idea. What if computers could trade better than humans? This was before the internet existed, before anyone thought algorithms could beat Wall Street. 38 years later, his code has generated $79.9 billion in total profits, the second most profitable hedge fund in history. Moving on to number 3, Bridgewater Associates. Ray Dalio started this in his Manhattan apartment in 1975. His insight? The economy runs in predictable cycles. Study history. Find the patterns. In 2025, Bridgewater posted 34% returns, their best year ever. How? They predicted Trump's tariff policies would spike inflation, positioned perfectly before the announcement. Now, at number 2, Millennium Management. Izzy Englander invented the pod system in 1989. Instead of one giant team, he created hundreds of independent trading pods. Each gets capital. Each uses different strategies. If one pod loses money, it's shut down immediately. The others keep winning. Result? Millennium has lost money in only 2 of 35 years. Finally, the number 1 spot, Citadel. Ken Griffin founded Citadel in 1990 with borrowed money. Today, it has generated $90.4 billion in total profits, more than any investment firm in human history. But here's the real power. Citadel Securities handles 40% of all retail stock trades in the US. They don't just invest in the market, they are the market. It's how much. Which fund intrigues or worries you? Comment below. Crib for more glimpses behind finance's hidden curtain.